In this video, I'm spilling all the tea on how to handle the nightmare of pet urine stains on original hardwood floors in your vintage home without losing your mind or your floor's charm. So, you find out your boyfriend's dog has been peeing on your clothes in the spare room, and now those stains are threatening your beautiful 1900s floors? Totally frustrating, right? First off, don't panic. Start by gently blotting the area with a dry towel to soak up any fresh moisture. Press, don't rub. You've got to try products designed specifically for pet stains like My Pet Peed, since they're made to break down urine crystals that regular cleaners won't touch. Multiple applications are key here, so don't expect magic with just one go. If you're feeling brave, mix some hydrogen peroxide with a soft brush to lightly scrub the stain, then blot again. It's not perfect, but can lighten the mess. For bigger or older stains, oxalic acid, aka wood bleach, is your best friend when you get around to refinishing. That stuff really helps bring those boards back to life. And hey, don't underestimate sanding down smaller stains with fine sandpaper and then resealing or staining just that spot. It might save a chunk of your floor without a full refinish. Also, snap pics of your whole floor so you can match stains and finishes better when touching up. One of the biggest slip-ups people make with pet urine on hardwood floors is rushing in with harsh chemicals or scrubbing too hard, which can actually damage the wood fibers and make the stain worse. Instead, always start gentle, blotting first and using pet-safe cleaners that target urine's unique chemical makeup. Another mistake is ignoring the smell. Urine odor can linger deep in the wood and attract the dog back to the same spot. So using enzymatic cleaners that break down odor-causing compounds is clutch. Lastly, many folks skip documenting their floor's current condition before trying fixes or refinishing, which makes color matching a nightmare later on. So take those photos early and often. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid spot if you need a hand connecting with trustworthy local contractors who get what it means to care for older homes. They also help contractors find good work, making it easier for everyone involved to find the right fit for big home jobs like refinishing hardwood floors or fixing pet damage.